In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell on Pinterest. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video, as it really helps support the channel and enables us to bring you more great content. So let's dive in. Selling on Pinterest is a fantastic way to reach a wider audience and showcase your products. Whether you're an established business or just starting out, Pinterest can open up new avenues for sales. First things first, you need to open Pinterest and sign in to your business account. If you don't have a business account yet, it's really easy to set one up. Just follow the prompts on Pinterest's site, and you'll be ready to go in no time. Once you're signed in, head over to the menu in the top left corner of your screen. Click on that, and you'll see different options pop up. This is where we'll find the Business Hub. Go ahead and click on that. The Business Hub is like your command center on Pinterest, giving you access to all the features designed specifically for businesses. Next, look for the option that says Catalogs. This is where you can create a catalog of your products, making it easier for customers to find and purchase them. Once you're on the Catalogs page, click on the button that says Create Catalog. This is where the fun begins. You'll need to add your product feed. Don't worry if you're not sure what that means. Essentially, a product feed is a file that contains details about your products, such as names, prices, and images. If you're using a supported e-commerce platform, you can easily connect it here. After that, it's time to enter your product information and feed details. You'll need to give each product a clear title, a compelling description, and include images that really showcase what you're selling. Remember, visual appeal is key on Pinterest. Beautiful images can catch the eye of potential customers, so take extra care in this step. Once you've filled out all necessary information, you're ready to submit the catalog for review. Now, here's an important point. After you submit your catalog, Pinterest will review it to ensure everything aligns with their guidelines. This process might take a few days, so keep an eye on your notifications. Once your catalog is approved, your products can start appearing in product pins, allowing users to easily find them. While you're waiting for approval, you can also start creating pins that feature your products. Think about how you want to present each product and what kind of pins will resonate with your audience. You can make standard pins or even video pins showcasing your products in action if that fits your brand. When making these pins, remember to utilize products tagging where it's available. This feature allows you to link your products directly within the pin. It's a seamless way for users to discover your offerings. Along with tagging your products, ensure you've added a clear title and a detailed description. This is crucial because this is how potential customers will understand what your product is about and why they should be interested. Don't forget to choose or create a relevant board for your pins. This way, when users are browsing specific categories on Pinterest, they can easily find your products where they fit best. Once everything looks good, go ahead and publish your pins. Now here's the exciting part. Customers can discover your products on Pinterest. They can browse through their feed, come across your pins, and when they're interested, they'll click the shopping link that directs them right to your store. From there, they can complete their purchase with ease. So there you have it. Selling on Pinterest is all about creating a captivating and engaging presence that draws in potential buyers. If you stick to these steps, you'll be well on your way to making your product shine on this visual platform. Thanks for tuning in, and if you found this information helpful, remember to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Happy selling on Pinterest!